Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nation here, and I have today my mother. She's funny. So the last video that I posted was of me showing how I did my wash and go with the Camille Rose Naturals curl maker. And some of you were asking like, what type of hair do I have and what type of porosity am I? So my hair is type 3. I would categorize it as like 3B, 3C, and I have high porosity hair. So I know not everyone who watches my channel has the same hair type as me. So I wanted to bring Mama along because she has a different hair texture. So go ahead and tell them what kind of hair you got.
Okay, from what I learned from her, I'm a 4. And I used to think I was a C, but she said I'm not.
She don't got no 4.
She says I'm like a 4A or a B. I'm probably a 4A-ish now because I just got my hair colored, and you know that chemical probably loosened the curls a little bit more. So yeah, 4B I think is what my natural curl pattern is, and I definitely have low porosity. Yeah. I hold water all day in my hair. All day into the next day.
Yeah. So we don't have all day to wait. Hey babe.
Hi son.
Go ahead and continue to watch if you're liking these results so far. And
I like them.
Good.
Alright, so here's a glimpse of my mother's hair. Just showing you guys what it looks like a little bit damp after freshly washing and conditioning it. With my BESTFIND. So for today's look, we are of course going to be using a spray bottle and the Camille Rose Naturals curl maker with marshmallow and agave leaf extract, and a Denman brush to help clump the curls together. So I'm just sectioning the hair and just making it a little bit easier for me to work with smaller sections. I'm going to make sure that her hair is nice and wet, okay? It needs to be soaking wet and completely detangled before you apply the product for easier application. As a friend, especially when I can't pretend I done fell in love with my BESTFRIEND. I'm in love with my. Now I'm going in with a few pumps of the curl maker and just putting that all throughout her hair, making sure that it's saturating every single strand. Like she said, she has low porosity hair, so I'm really trying to work it in there and make sure that the hair sucks it up. And yeah, I'm just being very, very thorough with how much product I use and how much I rake it in her hair. And as you can see, the curls are clumping together, starting to form, and I'm really liking how her hair is curling up. I love this product. Hanging at the movies, going out for dinner. I know I'm a winner, yeah. Cause I got somebody like you by my side. Always solid, and I know you're down to ride. Once I feel like the product is in there really well, I just go in with the Denman brush and really brush it through. Once again, you want to do this on already detangled hair because the Denman brush can break your hair off if you're not careful. But once it's already detangled and the product is in and the product has great slip, I use the brush to help clump the curls together, and it just helps to give the hair a lot more definition. Here's a close-up of how it's looking so far. I think it looks amazing. Does anybody else have a lot of shrinkage like she does? Because the shrinkage is real. Can see that this relationship means so I just decided to fast forward through the rest of my styling process because as you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm in love with my best friend.
best friend. Yeah, I'm so glad I fell in love with my best friend.
All right, all the product is in her hair, and this is what it's looking like close up.
BESTFRIND, in love with my best friend. With my BESTFRIEND, yeah. It all started when I
Okay, guys, so here's Mama. We just leaving church, and I am doing this impromptu testimonial because we're on what,
This is day 3.
3 already?
This is day 3.
Okay, so what have you done to your hair so far?
Okay, so far I've done absolutely nothing except put a bonnet on my head at night and go to sleep and wake up. And then I take the bonnet off and I don't really have to do anything. I kind of puff it out a little bit. It feels soft. It feels moist.
Yes, it feels so good.
Listen, I haven't even added refresher water. Like, I haven't even spray bottled my hair.
See?
At all.
Day
like, this
3,
is...
no refresher, no
When did we do
water.
this? What is today?
We did it on
Today's
Friday.
We did this Friday.
Friday was day
Today
1.
is Sunday.
Yep, so.
Yep. So I had it out yesterday, and then today all I did was put these hair combs. I just put the hair combs in here. That's it. But that's
no
it.
flaky.
No.
The curls are popping.
And it feels so good. That's it. Y'all, this is the truth.
Yes.
I'm about to go buy my own bottle now.
Yes, Nishay.
Hey,
Hit her up.
Hit me up, loco. I'll help you get a house.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful for all of you who have the type 4 thicker hair texture. I do want to do this more often because, like I said, my hair is type 3, and maybe there's, you know, some of you who watch me who are type 4, so hopefully this will help as we experiment with different products with different hair types and textures. So yeah, she likes getting her hair done.
I do. I'm being her guinea pig. So I guess I'll see y'all again.
Yes. So make sure that you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and comment. Let me know what you guys think.
And
share, do all that good
and
stuff.
put your notifications on.
Oh yeah, do that.
See, that's what mamas are for.
Alright, I love you guys. I'll see y'all.
I love y'all too.
In my next
Oh, wait,
video.
I stole your little thing, huh? That's what you be doing?
Yes, you didn't even let me get there.
My bad. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, no, I gotta kiss first, then bye. Bye.
Bye.
I don't know.
No, stop.